Welcome to our quick guide video. Today, we're diving into an essential trading tool on Altrady, the post-only function. First, let's explore what we'll be covering in this video. We will explain what the primary function is of the post-only function, when to use it, and how you can use it in Altrady. The post-only function is an order setting available on all exchanges. It's designed for precision in trading strategies. But what does it actually do? Simply put, a post-only order ensures that your trade is added to the order book and not executed immediately against existing orders. This helps in maintaining a specific trading strategy, especially for market makers. But why and when do you need this function? Post-only is particularly useful for maximizing maker rebates. By ensuring your order is always a maker order, you can benefit from lower fees or even rebates in many trading platforms. Now, let's walk through how to use the post-only function in Altrady. Head over to the order form and select the limit order type. Set up your price and specify the size of the order. Now go to the bottom of the form and hit Post Only. You can now place your order and the limit order will be placed. Remember, with Post Only, if your order would execute immediately against existing orders, it will be cancelled instead. Also note that if you use Post Only on a stop limit order, your stop limit order may be cancelled when the stop price is reached. That's all for our guide on the post-only function in Altrady. Use this tool wisely to enhance your trading efficiency and strategy execution. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!